Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to talk about the basic concepts of limit, including the 12th portion and some advanced engineering or BSc portion. Okay, the basic concept. I will include only basic concept, and for advanced we will discuss the advanced portion in next video. Okay, so what we discuss in 12th portion. So let's start with 12th portion, 12th syllabus. Okay, so limits, we are talking about limits in with respect to the syllabus of 12th. Okay, so in 12th, we know the what are functions. Okay, let's say this is a function. So what is its domain is x is not equals to 0, means all real number except 0. Okay, so let's assume this is a function. So what we can see this function if we draw. So this is a function something like this. At 0 it will be open because we can't define the value of this function at 0. We can't put x equals to 0 directly in it. It is not a good, it is not a algebraic rule. We can't do it. So here come the portion of limit. So what is LHL? The LHL means to move from left. So we are on the graph and we are moving towards left. So if I talk about the limit of this graph at x equals to 0, I am talking the limit of this graph at x equals to 0. So I will discuss the limit at 0 minus means slightly less than 0, and 0 plus means slightly greater than 0. If both values are same, I will say that the limit exists. And okay, so what is limit? Limit is nothing, just approaching value. If we approach towards any value, like I'm approaching towards 0, so limit extending to 0, the we write this as this, means we are approaching towards 0 of f of x. So that is we have to calculate. Okay, so this thing we have to calculate. So the only basic concept which includes in a limit of 12th portion is that is LHL equals to RHL. Okay, and first thing is we have to prove this limit exist or not exist, and second, find value of the limit. These things are included in the 12th portion. This only these things, only two things that always comes in 12th portion. Okay, so what is LHL equals to RHL and how to find limit? So to find limit, we have many things like 0 by 0 format, infinity by infinity format, 0 into infinity. So there are many types of format, 6 or 7 types. There are 6 or 7 types. Okay, so we have different methods to solve each type of limit. So we will discuss all in next video. I'm just sharing you the basic concepts of limits. Okay, so what is limit? I am telling you the how to visualize limit. I'm saying we how to visualize the limit. So I told you here from graph to approach some value from left and right portion, that is limit. Okay, so LHL is what? LHL means to approach from left, means on the value at which we are discussing, that is x goes to 0. So to 0 minus less than 0, x square over x. Okay, so if I am thinking 0 minus, so let's take x goes to 0 minus h and h tending to 0. I am saying, and h is positive. Okay, I am saying that h is positive and h is nearly equals to 0. This means what? Nearly equals to 0, 0.0000001, something like this. Okay, so 0 minus h means very slight, very small value that is negative. Okay, so if I put this here, so I will say limit s tending to 0 because h is tending to 0, and x goes to 0 minus h because x is replaced by h. Okay, so 0 minus h whole square over 0 minus h. Okay, so if this I know this is a h is a value, so if any perfect value above and below, so we can cancel it. Okay, so we will get 0 as the answer. So similarly, we can say for RHL2, limit extending to 0 positive x square over x. Okay, x equals to 0 plus h. We will assume it. Let's assume, and h will tending to 0 again, and we will get limit adjust to 0. 0 plus h whole square over 0 plus h. Cancel it. We will get 0. So LHL equals to RHL means for this function at x goes to 0, limit will exist. So we will say limit will exist. Okay, for this function limit will exist. So that's is the portion of the limit which come in the 12th part. We have visualized here, and we have solved one good example for the limit and visualize it, okay, how it is, because we are approaching towards from left and right, and we know we are approaching towards 0, so it will be both LHL equals to RHL, so limit will exist. Okay, but this function will not be continuous. Continuity we will check in for the video. uh, and now we come to the portion of engineering, but this video is going large. I will cover this in next video. Thank you.